If you are a freelancer or an agency owner and you're looking for talent or you're looking for a brand to work with, I mean, this could be worth trying out. I mean, especially for you freelancers out there who are wanting to get away from like Upwork and, the low quality mass marketplaces. This might be an opportunity for you to get higher end work. I mean, it's worth a shot. Hey friends, welcome to Creative X. My name is Brad Hussey and I'm a web designer. And together with Editor X, we're bringing you the best channel, community, content, all about the art, business, and craft of web design. Now, Fiverr did a thing and it's called Togetherr. 2 R's, just like Fiverr, 2 R's. And we're gonna take a look at this together, dissect it, give you my thoughts, and we're gonna look at the website specifically because when I first had a glance at it, I was pretty impressed. And there's a few things that I just kind of wanted to dissect from a design perspective, branding perspective, and also from a professional perspective. Again, this is the art, business, and craft of web design. So we're gonna look at it through that lens. You know what I'm saying? And see what we think. So let's take a look at the promo video together. Together or Togetherr. Let's go. Where are the best creatives? In the Creative X crew. That's where. We're gonna bring them all together. Okay. With AI. Everybody's all about AI these days. Half the time it's not AI, it's just basic computer like programming and they call it AI. But this seems like it's the deal. AI. All right, so you kind of choose what you need, what you like, what you want. You create a diverse team in seconds. Hundreds of data points. AI does its magic. Blah, 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 blah. Boom, 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 boom. We're finding this guy, this girl. Boom, boom. People who work together. Dream team, Paula and John. Wow, we get to see projects that they made together. Produce better campaigns, faster, change the business of creativity. That's the idea. That's why we are Togetherr, a Fiverr company. Okay, cool. Pretty cool video. Upbeat, fast-paced, fun, exciting. And the promise is to build your creative dream team in minutes. So matching world-class creative teams who probably work together and on innovative brands on a project-by-project basis. So I'm getting the vibe here from looking at the website as well that this is premium. This is not your run-of-the-mill Fiverr project. You know, the idea with Fiverr is that you could outsource work for as low as $5 an hour. And if you did a project for an hour, it's a Fiverr. So cheap, low quality. It's just kind of, you get what you pay for. Now, Togetherr, this is supposed to be agency level. So if you're running an agency or a small boutique agency and you want to hire the right team for the project, then you need the best of the best. And you don't want to be going out interviewing. Maybe you don't have the connections and you just don't have that ability to put that team together. Well, that's what this is supposed to do. It's good for brands. So if you're a brand and you want to work with the best talent across the globe, and it's good for talent. So if you're a creative professional, film, video, web, design, these sorts of things, this is possibly another way to get some work. And so that's where I wanted to bring this to your attention as well, is if you are a freelancer or an agency owner and you're looking for talent or you're looking for a brand to work with, I mean, this could be worth trying out. I mean, especially for you freelancers out there who are wanting to get away from like Upwork and, the low quality mass marketplaces. This might be an opportunity for you to get higher end work. I mean, it's worth a shot. Now, website. I'm a sucker for black and white. I love like simple, bold typographic choices, minimal fanciness. Like I'm kind of like, the more impact that you can drive home and deliver in like with a basic canvas, the more impressed I am. Because the more color you throw at it and the more fanciness and the more effects and features, sure, that's cool, but it's just kind of like eye candy. and it doesn't impress me much. Just like Shania Twain, my favorite Canadian country singer. That don't impress me much.
That don't impress me much.
Anyway, let's take a look at this website. Black, white, nice typographic choices. What font is this? I don't know. It's a sans serif, kind of Helvetica style. It's probably a custom Fiverr font, but I like that. I mean, that's a nice hero. It's a nice, unique value proposition here. As I scroll that font weight, it's a variable font, so it goes from its lightest, like 200 font weight, to probably about 900 font weight, just through a scroll. I mean, that's a pretty cool feature there. Simple buttons, they just invert. One's a primary, inverts to the secondary. Nice video. The video is very black and white. And that black and white creates a sense of premium. Black and white is like high end. My thought here is the line height here is pretty tight. So this superscripted text, the TM trademark, it's pretty close to that Y. And the designers behind this, like, they put thought into this. So they clearly made an intentional choice to make this really tight. Usually for headings, 1 to 1.2 line height is kind of a good rule of thumb. It looks better. Cool treatment here. We got kind of a slider here, kind of featured talent, highlighting some talent here. Okay, cool. As seen in, always good to have your media highlights, social proof. I like nice branding, really nice. Reverse content here. We got image left, text right. We swap around. We got text left, image right. Calls to action. Cool icons. They've made custom icons here. That's always a cool thing when you're building out a project and creating design and creating kind of a brand experience. Instead of just getting like your run-of-the-mill fonts like font icons or, noun project icons, all nice options. You can create your own icons. Very cool masking of this testimonial. Here we got a testimonial section, all black, white. As I scroll through this slider here, ooh, a nice effect. So this background and like that text, if I inspect this, it's probably flat black, unless I'm seeing this wrong. It's literally black. And then the text is, I think, literally white. Yeah, it's white. So it's RGB 255, 255, 255. So red, green, and blue are all full white. So I think that's a cool choice. I like that. Black, white. Very Apple-y. Apple-y. That is my way of saying the Apple design trend is clearly present here, folks. And that's just because they've established a typographic style, white space, large, bold, text. If I were just to like go here and take away the header and just see this, throw an Apple logo on there, this very much looks like I'm about to order a new MacBook Air. What I'd like to do now, as I go through this, what I kind of want to take one of these pages and I kind of want to build it out in Editor X, just to show you how you could take something so simple, so nice, like this. It's so high-end and premium, and you can recreate an essence of a high-quality premium site really quickly in Editor X. And it's just a good way to find out, like, what can we do? Can we do this in Editor X? Is it easy? Is it fast? So let's try that out. Let's flip on over to the editor and let's take one of these pages and build it out in Editor X. So in Editor X, what I'm gonna do right now is establish the color palette, super easy, and the typography. So let's do that now. I'm gonna throw a button on here, I'm gonna design it, and then I'm going to save it as an asset so that we can use it throughout the site. All right, now I'm gonna save this as an asset and make it the secondary treatment. So the regular state is gonna be white and the text will make black. Background for the section, black. We're gonna give it a minimum height. Line height, no, let's do 0.9 em. Make some slight changes here. Throw our buttons in, make some slight changes here. That's what we want, a YouTube video player. Then you can add the YouTube video web address. There it is. Make some slight changes here. Let's throw a repeater in there, see what happens. I'm gonna place this in a container. I'm gonna make the container fill the whole space, but I'm gonna actually give some padding to this container. Let's throw in some content here using like a composition. See if we can find a composition that matches what we're looking for here. Adjust our grids on our gaps on our grids. We're just going to duplicate this menu over. All right, well, let's check this out. Got our hero section, nice buttons. We got our video, our little text call out, featured talent, and a repeater that we can scroll through. We've got our image left, text right, image right, text left, and simple footer. Here's the actual site. And then go down to the footer. I mean, honestly, that was pretty good. All right, there it is, folks. Together by Fiverr. I'm curious to see what you think. What do you think about the site itself? What do you think about the whole concept behind it, using AI to assemble dream teams? And whether you are a brand looking for talent or whether you're talent looking for a brand to work on a great project with. So what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss out on these awesome videos, and join us in the Creative X crew. All the links are in the description below, and we'll catch you in another one. Cheers.